Students, this is complex number question from KEAM 23rd, April 23rd set paper. So I don't know which method you followed, but I will give you my method and complete solution. Just look, okay? So z is equal to 1 plus 1 by. Here you can convert into standard form easily. What is 1 by I complex number? If you want to denominator avoid 1 by I, it is simply I raised to 4 by I, which is equal to I cube. What is I cube minus I? So you can represent this complex number in standard form. This is 1 minus I. That is reduced to 1 minus I. So z raised to 4. What is z raised to 4? So here students get problem. They may think they have to take fourth power 1 minus I all square 1 minus I all cube. No need that. So I will give you the trick here, okay? If you want to find 1 minus I raised to 4 any power, you make the polar form which you know very well, okay? 1 by root 2 minus I by root 2. You are very familiar with that complex number polar form. So how to make this same complex number 1 by root 2 minus I by root 2? Symbol outside you can see z. Z is equal to 1 minus I, right? So z I am changing, just root 2 I am multiplying outside. So to compensate that, divide root 2 inside each term, real part and imaginary part. Now this complex number you can express in polar form or Euler's form very well. What is the polar form? This complex number inside the bracket root 2 into cos of pi by 4 minus I sine pi by 4, okay? So now you can express what is the Euler's form, root 2 into what is cos pi by 4 minus I sine in the Euler's form, e raised to minus I pi by 4, okay? So this is z is reduced to. Now you can take fourth power, very simple, both sides. If you take fourth power, z raised to 4 root 2 raised to 4, you can take separately, e raised to minus pi by 4, 4 cancel. So e raised to minus I pi, okay? Again convert back to the polar form, e raised to minus. What is root 2 raised to 4? It is 4 into e raised to minus I pi. In polar form, cos of minus I plus I sine of minus 5. So 4 into what is cos of minus 1 plus sine of minus pi or sine pi is equal to 0. Minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. We have the answer. Option B is correct. Clear?